Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 31st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down a little bit, $1.37, 0.18%, closed at 758.26. Post market, we are down by $1.60. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. For the past 3 days, we have had green candles, nice green candles. Size does matter. And we were basically at a junction point because we had two downward channel. We had this downward channel right here, which extended itself right there. And on Friday, we stopped right here, smack on it. Cannot make this up. And then we had this other downward channel, and we touched that almost pretty perfectly also. So the big question today was, are we going to break these two resistance? And indeed, we did. We did break them, so we closed outside of these two resistance with a decent volume also, so a bigger volume than we had at least Friday. We are still shy of the 800 resistance right here, which was very useful around this period, January 27. It's a red candle. We would have preferred to have a nice solid green candle that would have gone from here to this 800 resistance. That would have been good. Here we have, during the day, we caved into the two channels, but closed outside of it. So we have a longer wick at the bottom. So the buyers won that round. We opened during the day right up there, came down, and then were pushed back up. So we are starting to have a little bit of a difficulty, a little bit pushing higher. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we opened quite high at 773, came way down, but we came down and look at the body of this candle right here. The body is almost aligned with this downward channel. So it's as if we are testing support. So we tested support here, and then second hour is a green candle breaking again the two downward resistance. But then we caved in quite a lot to the sellers because we tried to reach back almost the same price at 773, but we came back down. But then it took a second hour to really push it up, and we have been going sideways ever since. And we also retested the second resistance, the second downward resistance right here with this candle too. Tesla is maintaining itself okay, this 1 hour chart here. Going back on the daily chart, the stochastic is still at 41. So stochastic has not moved at all because the close is basically the same as the one we had yesterday. We still have our MACD breakover bullish. RSI is not yet 250 and DMI is not yet ready. We are seeing a little bit of exhaustion right here. Let's go take a look at the VIX. VIX came up a little bit today, but still in its downtrend. This should be helping Tesla. Let's look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones also is displaying pretty much the same pattern. So this is an exhaustion pattern here. So we are taking a little bit of a pause. Same for S&P 500, same for NASDAQ Composite, and same for NASDAQ 100. So we don't have stochastic over 60 yet on any, no. We have stochastic over 60 on S&P 500, and we also have it on Dow Jones. So yeah, the stock market is taking a pause. So let's see what tomorrow is giving us as information. But I'm at least glad that we broke outside of these two downward channels. So yes, I would have been happier if there was going to be a cleaner break, but it is what it is. We need to deal with what we have here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate links and my other affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.